Have you ever wondered about the tiny brains that power your electronic devices? Ever heard of the 8051 microcontroller? Welcome to the fascinating world of microcontrollers, the unsung heroes of modern electronics. These minute computing devices, no larger than a grain of rice, are the nerve centers of countless gadgets we use daily. From toasters to thermostats and game controllers to GPS units, microcontrollers are the unseen maestros orchestrating a symphony of digital functionality. Among the vast array of microcontrollers, one name stands out: the 8051 microcontroller. This little marvel, originating from the labs of Intel in the late 70s, has carved a niche for itself in the realm of embedded systems. Its unique architecture, flexible interfacing options, and robust performance have set it apart in a crowded field. Dive into the intricate world of the 8051 microcontroller, a device that might just surprise you with its capabilities. The 8051 microcontroller, a small piece of technology with a big impact. Born out of innovation in the late 70s, the 8051 microcontroller was a revolutionary invention of Intel, a name synonymous with groundbreaking technology. The 8051 microcontroller is like a mini computer on a single chip, a marvel that may be small in size but is incredibly powerful. It's a device that has shaped the digital world as we know it, serving as the backbone of countless electronic devices and systems. The 8051 microcontroller's history is a rich tapestry woven with threads of technological advances. In a time when electronics were rapidly evolving, this little powerhouse emerged as a game changer. Intel's creation was quickly adopted by a variety of industries, finding its place in everything from telecommunication devices to automotive systems. The 8051's significance in the electronics world cannot be overstated. It's a versatile microcontroller, capable of performing a range of tasks. With a built-in CPU, RAM, ROM, I/O ports, and timers, it's essentially a mini computer that's ready to take on any task. Its architecture is simple yet efficient, making it easy to program and implement. But what truly sets the 8051 microcontroller apart is its wide range of applications. It's used in remote controls, robotics, office machines, home appliances, and even in the medical field. The 8051 is a testament to the power of technology, capable of powering complex systems and simplifying our everyday lives. The 8051 microcontroller is not just a piece of history. It's a living legend in the world of electronics. It's a device that continues to evolve with the times, adapting to new technologies and applications. It's a testament to the ingenuity of its creators and the endless possibilities of technology. In the end, the 8051 microcontroller is a testament to the adage, "Great things come in small packages." Its impact on the world of electronics is monumental, proving that sometimes it's the smallest things that make the biggest difference. The 8051 microcontroller, a testament to the saying, "Great things come in small packages." Now that you know what the 8051 microcontroller is, you might be wondering, how do I use it? Well, let's dive right into it. First off, you'll need some essential tools. A good place to start is with an 8051 development board. This is a pre-assembled circuit board that already includes an 8051 microcontroller, making it easy for you to get started without having to worry about soldering or wiring up the controller yourself. You'll also need a programmer to load your code onto the microcontroller and a power supply to keep everything running. Next, you'll need some software. An integrated development environment, or IDE, will be your go-to tool for writing and testing your code. There are many IDEs out there that support the 8051, like QELU Vision, which is widely used and offers a comprehensive suite of tools for development. Once you've got your hardware and software sorted, it's time to set everything up. Start by connecting your development board to your power supply and your programmer. Make sure to check the voltage levels to avoid damaging your board. After that, install your chosen IDE on your computer. Now, you're ready to start coding. But before you do, it's important to familiarize yourself with the 8051's architecture. This will allow you to understand how the microcontroller processes your code. You'll learn about its registers, memory organization, and input and output ports, among other things. Don't worry if it seems overwhelming at first. With a bit of practice, it will all start to make sense. And that's it. You're all set to start exploring the world of the 8051 microcontroller. Remember, learning to work with microcontrollers is a journey. Take your time, don't be afraid to make mistakes, and most importantly, have fun. With the right tools and a bit of patience, you are now ready to embark on your 8051 journey. The magic of the 8051 microcontroller lies in its programmability. Diving into the realm of programming the 8051 microcontroller, it's important to note that flexibility is one of its key features. It supports a variety of programming languages, from the high-level C and C++ to the lower-level assembly language. This means you can choose the language that best suits your comfort level and the task at hand. Let's walk through the basic steps involved in programming this versatile device. First up, you'll need to write your program. If you're using a high-level language like C, you'll write your code using a text editor, while for assembly language, you'll use an assembler. The program you write is essentially a set of instructions that tells the microcontroller what to do. After writing your program, the next step is to compile it. This process transforms your human-readable code into machine language that the 8051 can understand. For this, you'll need a compiler. There are several free and paid options available, with Keel and SDCC being popular choices. Once your program is compiled, it's time to upload it to the microcontroller. This is done using a programmer, a device that writes the machine language code into the 8051's memory. The programmer connects to your computer and the microcontroller, allowing you to transfer your program onto the 8051. There's an important point to remember here. The 8051 has a limited amount of memory, so your program needs to be efficient and compact. This is where your programming skills really come into play, as you'll need to write your code in a way that maximizes functionality while minimizing space usage. After uploading, it's always wise to test your program to ensure it's working as expected. You can do this by observing the behavior of the microcontroller or using a debugger to step through your program and check for any errors. With your program uploaded, the 8051 microcontroller is now ready to perform its task. You've set up and programmed your 8051 microcontroller, but what comes next? Let's dive into the fascinating world of its applications. This microcontroller is a powerhouse of versatility, from home automation systems to robotics, from traffic light control to temperature monitoring. The 8051 is the brains behind them all. Imagine your coffee maker brewing up your favorite espresso as your alarm rings in the morning, or your curtains drawing themselves open to let in the first rays of dawn. That's the 8051 microcontroller in action. It's also a staple in the field of robotics, driving complex automated systems with precision and reliability. And let's not forget its role in traffic light control systems, ensuring smooth and safe passage for vehicles and pedestrians alike. It's even used in temperature monitoring systems, alerting you when your home's temperature rises above or dips below your preferred range. The possibilities with the 8051 microcontroller are endless, limited only by your imagination and creativity. The 8051 microcontroller, a marvel of technology that has stood the test of time. We've journeyed through its intricacies and discovered its allure. From its humble origins to its widespread applications, the 8051 microcontroller is more than just a piece of hardware. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the relentless pursuit of knowledge. We've revealed the steps to get started with this incredible device, from initial setup to programming. We've seen how it's not just about understanding the technology, but learning to speak its language and harness its potential. We delved into the world of programming the 8051 microcontroller, where code becomes the conductor of an electronic orchestra, orchestrating a symphony of functions and processes. And finally, we witnessed the 8051 microcontroller in action. Its applications, as varied as they are, fascinating. From robotics to home automation, it's a tool that continues to shape our world. Whether you're an electronics enthusiast or just curious, the 8051 microcontroller offers a world of possibilities just waiting to be explored.